Hey everyone, have you ever heard of the tiny seeds that hold massive health benefits? Meet basil seeds, also known as Sabja seeds, one of nature's hidden superfoods. From aiding digestion and weight loss to giving you radiant skin, these tiny black seeds are packed with powerful nutrients. In today's video, I'll uncover the top health benefits of basil seeds, why they are so effective for digestion and weight loss, how to use basil seeds in your daily routine, and a simple yet delicious basil seed detox drink recipe. Stay with me till the end because you don't want to miss these incredible natural remedies. Let's get started. First off, what are basil seeds? You may have seen basil seeds floating in refreshing summer drinks or traditional desserts. But did you know they are packed with fiber, protein, and essential fatty acids? Fun fact! While they look similar to chia seeds, basil seeds have a unique gel-like texture when soaked. This makes them a powerful natural detoxifier for the body. Let's take a closer look at how they benefit your health. If you struggle with bloating, indigestion, or constipation, basil seeds might just be your new best friend. How do basil seeds improve digestion? They contain high, soluble fiber which supports smooth bowel movements. Their natural cooling effect soothes acidity and relieves bloating. They form a gel-like substance that absorbs toxins and flushes out waste. Here's a tip. Soak a tablespoon of basil seeds in water for 15 minutes and drink it before meals to support digestion. Did you know that basil seeds can help with weight management? They are low in calories and high in fiber, keeping you full for longer. They reduce cravings and help prevent unhealthy snacking. They boost metabolism, supporting natural fat burning. How to use them for weight loss. Add 1 tablespoon of basil seeds to warm lemon water in the morning. This simple detox drink can help you stay full and boost your metabolism. Who doesn't want clear, glowing skin? Basil seeds are a natural beauty booster. How do they improve skin? Rich in antioxidants, they fight free radicals that cause aging. Their hydrating effect keeps skin soft and radiant. Their anti-inflammatory properties reduce acne and skin irritation. Here's another tip. You can even make a DIY face mask. Mix soaked basil seeds with honey and yogurt. Apply for 10 minutes and rinse for a natural glow. Want to add basil seeds to your diet? Here are some delicious ideas. Basil seed detox water. Soak in warm lemon water and drink in the morning. Smoothie boost. Blend with fruits, yogurt, and nuts for a power-packed breakfast. Salad topping, sprinkle over salads for an extra crunch. Basil seed pudding, mix with coconut milk, honey, and let it set overnight for a healthy dessert. Which one will you try first? Comment below. Basil seeds are a true gift from nature. Whether you're looking for better digestion, weight loss, or glowing skin, these tiny super seeds have it all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment below with your favorite way to use basil seeds, subscribe and turn on notifications for more natural health remedies. For more health tips, visit our Heaven for Health channel. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay natural.